Welcome to Camino Barcelona, the best Spanish language school in the heart of Barcelona. Our journey begins at the reception desk. Here, our friendly team is always ready to assist you, ensuring a smooth and welcoming check-in process. To find your classroom, you can either take the stairs or the elevator. We have classrooms on 4 different floors. In your breaks or after classes, our chill areas are designed for you to recharge after a busy day or enjoy coffee with friends. Modern facilities make our classrooms ideal for focused study or dynamic group sessions. At Camino Barcelona, education and personal growth go hand in hand. Finally, let's head up to our stunning rooftop terrace. With panoramic views of Barcelona, it's the perfect place to relax or meet new people. We also host the best activities up here, like dancing salsa, making paella, wine tasting, and much more. Thank you for taking the tour. We hope that you will have the best time with us, and we look forward to welcoming you at Camino Barcelona.